So you told us about the Koyasan. So that's where you had a training, I suppose. But what is exactly Koyasan?
Koyasan is established by our founder, Kukai. So when he established the Shingon Buddhism in Japan, he thought two places is very important. One is a place for study and preach Buddhism to the general, and other place is the practice place for all Buddhist people, people coming to that place and practice rituals. And then one is one of the place name is Toji Temple in Kyoto, especially study place, and a Koya Mount, Koyasan. In these days, the place became a world heritage, very small town you can see on top of the mountain. So that is we call it Koyasan. And Koyasan is a main practice place. So many different temples and practice place for general people. And the big temple has, very knowledgeable scriptures.